In this second video dedicated to Prome AI image to video, we're going to generate videos essentially, as we did also in the previous part one, where we created an interior animation starting from an interior rendering. So we're gonna try with exteriors and with the products in this one here. So as usual, we can find Prome AI by searching in Google, and we can click on the first result, Prome AI image generator, and it's gonna give you this quick introduction, and then you will be in the home page. This is where you find image to video and also other tools. If you go here on the left side, you have an entire list of tools. Among those, you'll find also image to video. So click there, and also you can see that my credits have been replenished after 1 month. So each month, Prome AI will give you 10 coins, which are not so much, but is something you can use to start to test the AI. And if you like it, then you can go in premium version, you can upgrade, etc., etc. So image to video, these are other videos generated by other people, which looks pretty fine. But let's jump here in the generation and history page, and as usual, we can use our own here. We can also go in our assets, and let's crop this image that I already uploaded, and we already know how to upload images, etc. So we just left the previous video from here. So let's cut this, and there you go. It's not going to be too high quality in terms of pixels, but let's see what the AI can do. Now, the prompt, you can add and change the image from there. You can add and change the prompt. As a prompt, I typed here some information like homeboat navigation in the sea with the moonlight and rain and the mermaid appearing from the water. So I want to see actually if this AI at this moment can generate content, not only like animate the image, but also generate some content, some extra content. And also I want to add rain, and so it's going to be a little bit different from the original image. Now, for what I can see here, the only thing we can do is just work with the motion. So we can just change the motion, make it simulate a movement of some sort. So it's not actually generating or like deleting anything, it's just working on the actual image, and that's it. So nothing too extraordinary at the moment, but can be helpful, because when we do rendering in 3D software, we render an image, and that takes a lot of time, especially if it's a high quality rendering with a lot of high parameters. So by creating the video automatically like this, even if it's a short clip, it's good, it's all good. So let's see here, play, and you can see it's also has these effects of a moving camera, more realistic, and everything slightly changes in images, give us the sensation of a video is not actually a video. It's just a small video clip, slowly moving, slightly moving, but that's fine, because in a 3D software, to do this, to render this, probably could take a lot of hours, because we need to render each and every frame. So here you can also continue to edit the image with the upscaler and others that we already saw, and we can download if you want it without the watermark. You need the premium version, otherwise with watermark, and you can like, dislike, publish, remix it again, etc., etc. So that's the thing we can usually do with any other asset, any other elements we generate with Prome AI. Now let's try again. Let's go up here, AI tools. So I want to do something now with the product. So in the generation tools, let's find image to video, click, and we are back again on the same page. You can see, I can see the same exact image I just cropped before. So I'm just going to click on this plus button, go in the upload area, and upload another image. And this time it will be a product. So we try it with interiors. With exteriors, I'm going to try now with a product to see if it works also for product visualization. I have a course here in Twinmotion, which is extraordinary for 3D renderings, either interior, exterior, also product, as you can see. So I use this template and then I work on this with the materials and everything in Twinmotion, totally free and simple, fast to use, just like Prome AI. So I'm gonna crop also this because this is a screenshot from the course, working with materials and products. And I'm going to use just the shoe frame like this. And again, I need to define some prompt words. So like changing colors, let's try again to like alterate the content with changing colors and orbit around, which is kind of movement. And we can change the motion intensity. Be careful because the more you affect the motion intensity bar, the more you increase it, the more it's gonna like go a little bit crazy and try to generate something, and perhaps it's gonna go wrong. So I increase it just a little bit to see what's gonna happen. And this is the result. So now you can see the shoes are looking kind of strange, and also when it orbits around, it kind of generate a third shoe. So it's doing kind of a little mess, but I think these are all soft, well, AIs, artificial intelligence are just at the beginning. So they will eventually get better and better, but right now let's just go back here as I'm gonna decrease the motion intensity, get rid of the some of the prompt words, and try a second time and see what happens. Now also you can see here is saying that the more you generate, the more is going to be better, but of course it's going to consume more coins. So that's the pro and cons. Okay, that's the second result, which looks better, definitely, but still has a lot of strange stuff happening, and this all often happens with artificial intelligence at the moment. But is something is just a start. So maybe we can try with different point of view, with different render, with a higher resolution render. We can try more and more to generate more videos and see if it gets better and better. But I think it's gonna be good enough for this video guide. And again, if you wanna try the premium version, you can go ahead in there, and also it will be helpful to see what other people generated in using this the same tool here. You can use it with photography. Again, we this is an interior, looks like a little bit cartoonish, but works fine. So just need to try more and more. And this is a picture, so let's try to see what's happening with the picture, and it works kind of fine. So I think that's gonna be good enough. You can continue to explore here. If you're interested in more AI videos, subscribe to the channel to stay updated. If you want to support us, join the channel as a supporter. Go and check our other courses and guides. And again, thanks for watching. See you in the next.